Good evening, friends. I hope y'all are having a blessed day. We are here for our Wednesday night Facebook Live. And, you know, I'm always happy and excited, hi Rhonda, to share some projects with you on Facebook every Wednesday night. And we are, I don't know about you guys at your house, but in our house, we're in our usual thick of wrapping presents, getting ready at the last minute for Christmas. So I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous card using some new products. But it is a few days to Christmas, so I'm going to take you on a quick Christmas show. Okay, so we're going to have a Christmas show just in case you need some last minute inspiration for Christmas. So I'm going to run you through some cards that I've made, a lot of cards. I'm just going to do it pretty quickly. Some of these I've made YouTube videos about, so make sure and visit papermadeprettier.com or just Paper Made Prettier, all one word, on YouTube, because a lot of these you'll find there. Oh, hi, Chris. All right, so we're just going to take a visual tour through some Christmas cards in case you need some last minute Christmas inspiration. So in my opinion, like, I just sent out, in the last 2 days, I've probably sent out about 400 Christmas cards. So I am kind of a last minute Lou. I had them already made. It just, they weren't addressed and sent. And true story, I love to write in each card, but I am battling, believe it or not, arthritis here. And so I wasn't able to write in all of my cards as much as I would like. So thank goodness they're pretty. Hopefully people will forgive me for not writing a lot. All right, so lots of pretty things to inspire you tonight for Christmas. We're gonna look at some Christmas ideas, and then we're also going to make a card using some new products. So if you're over Christmas, just grab a drink and hang out and watch the show, and we'll get to some non-Christmas items. Ta-da! It's a neat little fun fold. It's honestly the first time I think I've opened up that card. Moose is so cute. It's a great, now many of these products are on the last chance list. So you need to check that out on the website, the ordering website. You need to check out the year-end closeouts, because many of these stamp sets, most of the stamp sets that you see used here are on the retirement list. So you won't see them anymore. So it's definitely time to use your resources to get those last minute items before they're gone forever. Okay, so many Christmas cards. I mean, y'all, I've already sent out so many and I have this many left. It's crazy. I just went a little Christmas crazy this year, apparently. All right, let's see. They just keep coming. My pile is gonna topple any minute. We have Merry Christmas. Isn't that cute? Okay, oh, this was a fun one. Got our little penguin. Whoa. All right, let me see if I've got any more here. I'm gonna move my pile before it topples. In fact, I'm just gonna put it back in the box. Two dots. All right, let me see. Oh, here's a really pretty snow front card. Like I said, hop on YouTube if you want to see the instructions for how to make a lot of these projects. Now these are in a bag, but I want to pull them out so you can see them. We have these gorgeous poinsettia projects. Look at that. We made this at my Stamp Technique Club. We were using the shimmery background technique. We used can't even remember now. Oh, give plastic wrap. That's how we did that. Wow, that seems like a long time ago, and it really wasn't that long ago. Okay, and that is the end of our Christmas show. So I hope you enjoyed that and you've got some inspiration for Christmas. But